Let's see how to record your screen on Windows 11 using the Snipping Tool, a built-in program. Hold down the Windows key, Shift, and R. Then, click and drag the regions you want to record. At the top here, if you want to record microphone audio as well, click on the microphone icon and untick Mute. This icon mutes system audio. To start the recording, hit Start. You can pause and stop the recording. Once you stop, the output will pop up on the screen. To locate the file in File Explorer, click on the three dots at the top right and open the Screen Recordings folder. That's how to record your screen on Windows 11. See you soon!